Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am introducing a nice twist to a classic dish, beef stroganoff. But it's not the plain tough stew meat that you're thinking of. This recipe will be a great weeknight luxury. It's fast, inexpensive, and simple to make. This recipe takes less than 25 minutes from start to finish, and is enough to feed 4 people. Considering the price increase in food due to the pandemic, beef short rib is a versatile cut. Ask your butcher for a fillet or boneless piece. I choose this cut because the short rib has a rich, meaty flavor. Prepared correctly, and it will be incredibly tender. The number one important factor is to slice the beef against the grain. I have around 400 grams of beef. See all those muscle fibers? You want to shorten them. Slice them thinly into even-sized strips. I am also using a handful of portobello mushroom. Mushroom goes great with beef. Also, dice a half of a yellow onion. Fry the steak in some extra virgin olive oil. Sear it on both sides to get a nice crust. 45 seconds on each side is okay. Season with salt. The meat is going to continue cooking once we add it to the sauce. Remove the steak from the pan and put it aside. Add the mushrooms and onions to the pan. Season with salt. Once the mushrooms have cooked down, add soy sauce and let it reduce. The soy sauce will add a nice color and umami flavor. For the sauce, I use half and half. You can use heavy cream as well. Reduce it on low heat until it thickens slightly. Boil your pasta al dente. Once you are ready to boil your egg noodles, you can add the steak into the sauce. This will ensure the steak is not overcooked and will stay nice and tender. Garnish with parsley and you are ready to serve this amazing beef short rib stroganoff. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more cooking recipes.